Okay, so today we're going to do a Somatropin test kit. I'll show you how this works. So, for starters, we're going to fill this vial with bacteriostatic water, which is what I have here. And you need 1 ml. Of water, and then you need your 0.1 ml of reconstituted somatropin. It's not for powder, it has to be the liquid that goes in here. Leaving it concentrated will not help. So we give that a little bit of a shake, don't spill it. Let that sit for a minute just to fully combine. Okay, now I'm taking the kit out of the fridge. Now we'll open that up. It's warmed up to room temperature. Now with the kit, the side you want to touch is the one that's shiny. You can see there's a shiny side. And this side with the purple bit, that's the side you're going to put into the water. I'll move that out of the way. So now we're going to put this in for at least 5 seconds. Now you should be able to see liquid moving up that little pad at the bottom there. Can we see liquid moving? Yeah. You can leave it in a bit longer if you want, that's okay. Yep, there we go. Now I can see liquid moving just up there. So we want to lay this down flat and just let it sit there. And we're going to wait for 20 minutes and then see what we've got. 20 minutes later, as you can see, I don't know if you can get it to focus, but there is one line there and another line there, which matches with negative. So unfortunately, this is a negative result.